Hello, Namaskar, and welcome again. This is Chef Gajendra Kumar Singh from the Stedel, Salt Lake. The best part is the Stedel is a 3-star boutique hotel which is located within the Salt Lake Stadium, which is the second largest stadium of India in Salt Lake. So, I would first like to thank Amul for giving us an opportunity during this difficult time to showcase our skills. So today, what I am going to do is creamy potato and cheese gallant. So this is the recipe, and I'll tell you what are the ingredients that I will be requiring to make this special dish. I'll first tell you what is this gallant. The gallant is basically a charming thing, charming and beautiful. So I'm going to make this creamy potato and cheese gallant. So the basic ingredients what we will be requiring is the following. We'll be requiring some bell peppers for vegetables. I have carrot and beans, the boiled one. Paneer, Amul cheese, Amul cream, garlic butter, boiled potato, some oats, panko crumb, it's a Japanese panko crumb, the fresh one. You can like it's basically white in color. I have oregano, chili flakes, salt, onion powder, I have garlic powder, I have rosemary and thyme powder, Spanish paprika, crushed pepper, and I have a balsamic reduction which I will be using it for the garnishes. So for onion and garlic powder, it's a very simple thing. The onion you need to cut into very thin slices and just roast it, or you can do it in the oven also. And once it get dry, you make it a powder of that. This will give you a very good taste while you make any food. You can finish this with soup, sauces, pastas, and anything like that. So I'll start doing with this process. First of all, I'll grate the potatoes. I have the boiled potatoes which is already there. So I'll grate it through a grater. So basically, I'll grate almost 2, which will give you 6 to 8 pieces of so in this potato. Now I'm going to add some cheese. I'll add 1-2 teaspoon of cream, salt just to taste, oregano a little bit, chili flakes. Instead of putting oregano, you can use the Italian herb also, which is coming in a ready-made packet. This is onion powder. I am using almost half spoon. Garlic powder also. I'll be using half teaspoon. Rosemary and thyme powder. This is also dried. The fresh, we have dried it and then we have make a powder of that. Spanish paprika. And some crushed pepper. So now we have to mix it. So when you put all these spices, you'll get a very good flavor out of that. So now I'll make 4 small balls out of this mixture. So now this one you can make it in any size you feel like. You can make a roundel of that. You can make a pyramid shape also. So what I am going to do, I'll mix both panko. You can use the regular breadcrumb also. You can use the panko. Panko will give you a very good and nice color. And I am using some oats, which is also very easily available in every household. So now it's very simple. You can make like a pyramid shape. If you want, you can make like this shape also. So here I am making it like pyramid. So just you need to cover with this mixture. Very lightly. You can put batter also if you require. If not, that will also work. So now this is almost ready to get fried. So by the time the oil is also ready, so now I'll just fry it. So you can see it started getting its golden color also. Size you can do it. You can make it roundel. You can make it square also. You can make it in a dome shape also. So once it gets golden color, we'll just take it out. So now you need to take it out on a tissue paper. So this is almost done. So my potato and cheese gallant is almost ready. Now we'll do the next step. That is, I'll be giving some garlic coin with this. Basically, it's a garlic bread in a different shape. I'll cut it. Since I'll cut it in a round shape, so I am giving it a garlic coin name. This is a very simple, similar like garlic bread. So this one is ready. I have some garlic butter also. So you can do it on the salamander also. If not there, you can do it with the pan that I am going to do right now with the pan. So after doing this, till my pan gets ready, I'll cut the vegetables which I need to serve along with this. I have a carrot which is already boiled. I'll just take few pieces of that. Some French beans which is already boiled. You can use the many vegetables like zucchini, you can use the squash, you can use the cauliflower or green peas, anything like that. So now is the time I'll make a garlic coin. I'll just spread a little of butter and garlic. I'll just pan grill it since I don't have a salamander right now. You can do it in the salamander also. You can do it in the sandwich griller also. So I am doing it in the pan right now. So by the time it's get ready, we'll make a cheese sauce also along with that. So basically it's the paprika cheese sauce. So it's very simple again. It's nothing. I'll be using little bit of Amul cream in this, some paprika powder, a bit of garlic butter and cheese along with it. So this is very simple, and this potato and cheese galante will be served along with this garlic croutons. I have some saute veg and it will be accompanied with the paprika cheese sauce. So this already the garlic and the butter flavor has already come. So now it's the time for saute our vegetables. So for this also you can use oil, you can use butter. I am adding it here garlic and butter because the garlic will give a good flavor along with this vegetables. So as I said, you can use many vegetables which is available. I am using here carrot, beans, bell pepper only. You can use broccoli, you can use cauliflower, you can use corn, green peas and anything. Some salt, pepper, oregano, and I'll add some chili flakes. Since the vegetables are already cooked and boiled, so no need to cook it for a long time. Just you have to saute it. Now I'll make a Spanish paprika cheese sauce. For this, add some salt, add some cheese. Very simple to make. Again, for this recipe I'll use little bit of garlic butter. Again, this will give a good flavor of garlic. So you can see it's getting thick. So with that, I am having some Spanish paprika that I will be using. So this will give a good color at the same time. So this is how it will come. So now this is a very short, have you seen that this is a very, it's not a very lengthy process also, and it can be done very easily and very fast. So now is the time for a final presentation. So we'll go for a final presentation now. So your potato and cheese galette is ready. I have some vegetables also which is ready, I have sauteed. So as I said, you can use any vegetables with your preference. So this is how. It depends the cut also, you can cut in a different way you feel like. So this basically a garlic bread, but I have given here the name is garlic coin. The cheese sauce is also ready, Spanish paprika cheese sauce. So this is now ready to go. I think it is very simple also to make. Have some balsamic reduction, so I'll be using it for garnish. I'll put some yellow pepper reduction. Again, it will give a put some cheese on the top with some Spanish paprika. I'm using some oregano. So this is how it looks like. Again, I'll tell you, like this is very simple, so nothing so special in that, but again I think this will look very yummy and very nice, and you can definitely try it at your home. So thank you so much. Thank you so much for your time, and just stay safe, stay at home, be connected, and thank you so much. Thank you.